Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we are going to start the 15th kind of verb that is known as auxiliary verbs. Definition of auxiliary verbs: those verbs which help the action verbs are called the auxiliary verbs. Those verbs which help the action verbs. Now we have already discussed about verb, that verb is a word which shows an action, state, condition, possession, presence, absence of a person, place or a thing. So auxiliary verbs are those verbs which help the action verb, are called auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs have got the kinds. Number one, we have got helping verbs or primary verbs, which are used in your tenses. Now, helping verbs, as well as you call them primary verbs. Definition: those verbs which help the action verb. Now, they as well help the action verb and tell us the tense. They tell us the tense, are called helping verbs or primary verbs. So, those verbs which help the action verb are called auxiliary verbs, and in action verb, if they help the action verb and tell us the tense, are called helping verbs or primary verbs. Now see, I say E dash not learn English. E dash not learn English. E dash not learn English. This we won't be able to tell which tense is it. Now if I say he learns English, he learned English, he will learn English, it is clear that present indefinite, past indefinite and future indefinite. But in negative sentences of all indefinite tenses, we have gotten first form. But helping verbs are the verbs which help the action verb and tell us the tense. Now over there, if I say he does not learn English, so it means it is present indefinite. If I say he did not learn English, it is past indefinite. If I say he will learn English, it is future indefinite. So these are the verbs which are helping your action verb. What is your action verb? Learn. It is helping the action verb and telling us the tense. So that's why we call it helping verb or primary verb. Now we have got ing form of the verb in 6 tenses. See, playing, 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 and playing. I say we dash playing chess. Now you won't be able to tell us the tense, that which tense it is. If I say you were learning tense, it means it is present continuous tense. Now see, in continuous tenses, we use which form? Ing form. And in perfect continuous as well, we use ing form. So if I say we were playing chess, it means it is present continuous. If I say we are playing chess, present continuous. If I say we will be playing chess, it is future continuous or future progressive tense. The next we have got, I say we have been playing chess, present perfect continuous. We had been playing chess, past perfect continuous tense. And we will have been learning chess, that is future. We will have been playing chess, that is future perfect continuous tense. So were, are, will be, have been, had been, will have been are helping the action verb playing and telling us the tense, are called your primary verbs or helping verbs. They help the action verb. Now playing is your action verb which are used in your 6 tenses. Now these ing form of the verbs are not telling you the tense, but when you are helping, using the helping verb, see, helping verb is taken from the word help, to help or assist the action verb and tell us the tense, are called helping verbs. So I say we dash playing chess, you won't be able to tell it is which tense. If I say we were playing chess, past continuous, we are playing chess, present continuous, we will be playing chess, future continuous, we have been playing chess, present perfect continuous, we had been playing chess, past perfect continuous, we will have been playing chess, future perfect continuous tense. In the same way, there are 3 tenses where we use third form of the verb. Now gone is your verb, it is not able to tell you the tense. I say they dash gone to college. Now here you won't be able to tell it is which tense. But if you say they had gone to college, it is past perfect. They have gone to college, present perfect. They will have gone to college, future perfect. So those verbs which help the action verb and tell us the tense are called your helping verbs or primary verbs. So modal auxiliary verbs have got two kinds. The first one we have discussed here. Second one we will be discussing after that. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.